byagenze bita
because he had personal problems. His wife left him and cleaned out his bank account.
Rep mpamvu yagiye nuko umugore yamutaye agasigana banki ye konte yose ayigize vide. Barababeshya abo ntago banyuzwe. Nibazi mpamvu hagati yabo barimo gushondana. Bavuye muri Afghanistan nibwo bageze ahangaha haca iminsi mike ya Rip ava mu kazi. Uyaje ku ruhande. Sinzi mu myaka 2 itambutse habaye icyatsi mugenzi wabo ubitaga Richard Taggart aka Rip ava mu kazi ngo agende. Kumbanga ya hari Joseph.
I'm gonna go inside.
Joseph Beyer.
We'll eat in half an hour.
Shiri gose kanje mu nzana asigaye manza nteke tugire. Mukanya gatuze turye. Après 30 minutes baje kurya n'umugore we. Nta kana bagira muri iyi nzu ntago babyara. Ninda batwise ntago byagenze neza. Babanje gusengera ibiryo. Mana turasenga umudayimoni wese watera ibi biryo. Mwami umushwiragize. Mana mukubita inkona tumuka agende uwo mudayimoni.
Bathroom doors ticking.
Sasanga umugore afite isengesho arasenga buri munsi. Ariko ntago umugabo arize.
It's been a year since Sarah died.
Hashize umwaka wose Sarah apfuye. Yanda yabo bari batwite ivamo.
Remember how many kids you told me you wanted? 4.
Wifuje gose ko tubyara abana bane sibyo sheri. None ubu ngubu basi n'umwana umwe ntago turamugira. Sheri. Nse gose njye kuri umuginekologe bandebe ukuntu mundangiye hameze wasanga mfite ikibazo.
Before.
Cyangwa wasanga baranzinze njye kwizinguza.
With the specialist.
Most doctors we can't afford.
Aya mafaranga ntago nayabona. Nagara amafaranga we amafaranga saza mu ndabizi wimbeshya.
It will be.
Zasaba amafaranga n'amafaranga dufite urabizi. Rero police umugabo nyawe yishimaho yishyikira.
After dinner, go out to your workshop. Get out the plans for the crib you built Sarah.
Nutumara kurya uze kugenda utunganye yanzu warubakiye Sarah uyigire wisenye utegure indi nzu yo kubakira undi mwana wacu.
Any updates?
Kumbu ya hari.
No man, I'm sitting tight.
Bakira makuru ko mugenzi wabo ari muri Afrika ari yafungiye yashimuswe n'ibyihebe. Ariko ntago baramenya neza aho ari neza ngo bajye kumusanganira.
Ricky.
Kirahanga haza madam. Ni Buddha cyangwa Ricky. Nibutse Buddha n'izina ry'akazi.
So do you wanted to be a part of?
Usanga abasirikare bagira amazina yabo yo mu kazi asanzwe bitwa bari mu gikopo.
Annabelle?
Buddha, Beya, Ripu.
You said you'd pick her up.
Na amazina y'akazi.
Webete.
Kumbanga huyu yacererewe. Akana kabo ka Annabelle kagiye kubyina uyu munsi gafite performance ariko ntago nka papa yahabaye. Ha yaje yuta kushirya akana kugira kubyina. Akana kitoza kubyina. Neza mbyino bita Marie Jose. Karanga karabyiye papa ko mamashi yo kurenzaho aje bisoza aje muri launch y'umwana bisoza.
That was amazing.
Ntabyinyeza mwana wanje kubyina pe.
You didn't even see me.
Ntago nambonye mbyina ndabizi uje birangiye papa.
I thought I'd pick you up.
Nariskaruza kutora mwana wanje rero.
Do you want to get some ice cream?
Tujya kurya ka ice cream natuhoya.
Been for like.
Ntago njya ndya lactose urabizi.
What?
Maze cyo cyane nanayiryo nabizi neza. Papa ntabyo banazi by'abana bi.
Come on, Daddy. Let's get sorbet.
Papa tugende nubundi ntago uzi ni. Naho nigira no bwa mbere uhaje papa ntago dukunda wowe. Kumbu yako kwanda hari. Arategurira umwana wabo.
What are you building?
Urubaka ibiki?
Some gift for Buddha.
Arabeshya ngo ni impano ateguriye Buddha mugenzi wabo. Ugiye kubavamo.
I'm just as mad about